Hi, YouTube. Hi, Queen of Five family. Inside the supermarket. I'm about to grab up some stuff to do my own. Giving my niece, me and my sisters, giving my niece a surprise birthday party this weekend. Tomorrow, hopefully. Because that's what we got planned. So I'm in the supermarket now. I'm about to grab up some stuff for her. And that's about it. Grab up some stuff for us to have her surprise birthday party. She turned 11. Hey, Queen of Five family. Put my mask back on because I'm out in the ear. I love y'all. I'll get back to y'all soon. We getting our stuff for the cookout.
Juices, waters. You make a salad?
Yeah, they'll see what I make when I start getting it ready to make. I'm not telling them what I'm going to do. Which one you use? I'm right here. That's not what we're going to do. 150.
And me. Fixing her gloves. You need more ketchup, right?
Yeah. No mustard, no
One
ketchup.
of those in the
As long as that's available. I can't go for the blue duck. I don't know, but I'm like, yeah. I know. Okay, leave. If you want to do that, then, you know.
Janaya.
But she should have some. She eat it. Exactly, but.
Yeah. Stop touching me.
Okay.
Just now when you drive the phone.
Okay, YouTube family. We'll come back to y'all. Let us finish our shopping because it's hard trying to log and shop. We love y'all. Bye. Still logging a little bit. It's hard to log. Gotta have something. It's hard to log. We're getting meat now. Alright. I'll be back. Hi, Queen of Five. We currently done shopping. Thank God. You know, me and my girls. This air blowing because it's hot out here. Me and my girls, I'm looking ratchet, but me and my girls, we is on our way home. We is done with the stuff for tomorrow for the party, or either if it ain't gonna be tomorrow, it might be Sunday, but for the most part, I will keep y'all posted because y'all gonna watch me have fun with my family on YouTube because I'm gonna post a video of it, or I might live stream it. I don't know yet. I'm thinking maybe I might do a log, or maybe I might live stream us having fun, but it won't even matter because y'all my family just as well as this my family. They are my family. So whatever I do, y'all gonna be a part of. So y'all, I will keep y'all posted. I will keep y'all posted on my niece's surprise birthday party. I love y'all. Bye.
The next day.
My party is the booty.
It's the 37. Find it, girl. Find it.
later.
Letter H. Who got letter H? Oh my God, somebody got letter H. Where's my gift?
You got roses,
What
girl.
is this? Roses, you don't like them? Okay, that's nice. That is nice.
Okay.
Hey, surprise.
We got a letter A.
You can't just go try your little ugly fart fucking fit. Oh, this for YouTube. You little pretty little thing, you. That's the prize. Give me my stuff, you ungrateful person. You wasn't getting my old Mother's Day shit anyway. You see it? That's yours. And this is yours too. Don't do this to me. Look at Dwayne. Like,
It's Bobby melted by now.
He's so stupid. Let us see it.
Because this cake about to be all smashed over this dog. Now I'm spend my hard-earned time making this cake.
You see your dog? What you want the name to be?
Look.
Oh, she look like she about to cry.
Look. I said,
Damn.
look. I said, I spend my hard time.
What you want? I mean, I said, what you want?
Want a hot dog?
Look.
A hamburger?
Yo, emotional. What you gonna name it? Charlie?
I don't know how to spell Charlie.
C-H-A. Arlie.
L-I-E.
C-H-A-R-Lee.
What is it?
C-H-A-R-Lee. Charlie, where the freezer at?
Charlie.
Charlie. See,
Then we stop putting this cake down, because you've been thinking I'm a game, but I ain't no game. I'm about to
Okay, you gotta put it somewhere.
Where to put this cake at?
And the I said, give my damn roses back.
2 hours later.
Let's go Indians.
I ain't got this.
Let's go Indians.
Go sit down, you goofball.
Ready?
Stupid.
P-A-C-H-E. E-R-S. You know so when you coming for the pit. You know so when you coming for the pit. What's up? What's up? What's up?
What's up? What's up?
What's up? What's up? What's
What's
good?
Ow! 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 Ow!
You know so when you coming for the pit.
Fuck to all of she can't even keep up my fucking beat no more.
Look at Get right, daughter. Look at George.
What's up? What's up? What's up? What?
What's good?
What's up?
No. Who
Yeah, she talking too. Oh.
Come here, Pooh.
Your feet gonna be hurting.
Yes, I'll be at work tomorrow like, oh my fucking God, playing with them kids last night. My shit gonna be
I can't do
burning.
a lot. I ain't even moving, Chris, and my ankles is on fire. I'm telling you, hell no, we getting old.
Hell yeah. No, that motherfucker staying to the floor.
I got icy hot in the house. Fuck that. Bones be hurting.
Keep playing with me like, come on. You still,
It's your time to do shit. Oh, they got that. Bobby, he got that. And she put
You
that.
said he ordered them last night.
That's nice. I like them. I need me a boyfriend.
No.
I'm gonna get me a man
I'm
with
gonna
one.
I'll be
I
back.
got one for you.
Okay.
I'm gonna watch out for my room.
Do Dino?
I got one for you.
I'm gonna be watching.
Let me catch my breath first.
Look what y'all did to my vibe.
Let me catch my breath. Let me catch my breath.
Look what y'all did to my vibe.
That shit is in her blood. Her mother taught her
Let's
that.
go! No, you gotta go. Wait, we had to pump it up too.
Pump it up.
Oh yeah, that's it. Okay, so it's. Wait, how to start though?
Stupid. Pump it up, chicken.
Oh yeah, it's
The vibe.
pump it up. Go ahead, pump it up. Go ahead, pump it up. Go ahead, go ahead, pump it up. Go ahead, pump it up. Go ahead, go ahead, pump it up. Go ahead. You gotta pump it up. Go ahead, pump it up. Go ahead.
I can't. Ooh. Ooh. Chris, I'm
Pump it up,
okay.
go ahead. Pump it up, go ahead.
Monster got a
Pump it up, go ahead. Go ahead. Pump it up, go ahead.
No, don't give up. Get up, daughter.
Alright. Pump it up, go ahead. Go ahead. Pump it up, go ahead. Pump it up, go ahead. Go ahead. Pump it up, go ahead. You need to pump it up. Go ahead. Pump it up. Go ahead.
That was cool. But I got one for you.
You need to pump it up. Go ahead.
I need crowd
Oh, go through
participation
Dino.
on
Oh, pump it up.
Oh, hello.
Your birthday 2 weeks through Dino?
this. She said you.
Oh, you got 2 weeks? Oh, you don't got, she got a week? Oh, yeah, the 23rd? She probably got like a week left, right? 2 weeks.
What birthday?
The 3rd of June.
I got you.
I got to edit all this. I'm gonna be editing, like, I ain't editing it until Monday. 'Cause we got movie day tomorrow, right? So I can't. I'm gonna get my hair done tomorrow, then we gonna have movie day.
You gotta go.
G.
What's your I? L-U-C-K. Good luck.
Lucky Mark.
Indians and blow them away. It's
Y'all ready?
blow them
Okay. G O O D L U C K.
away. You know, I'm straight in the face.
Good luck, pandas and blow those Indians. Oh, I don't know how to say
Say it and blow them
Anyway.
Indians away.
I got one for you.
Say it.
I got one for you. Indians, not idiots.
You got like, it's about the same.
It's
Idiot
first of all,
Indians.
You got me.
That's all, boy.
Well, I got one. Smooch, where was the other one?
I might, mommy arm hurt and I'm gonna let them.
Yeah.
How about this one?
And my
So
double side team,
hard.
miss that basket for me.
Miss it.
Oops. You still ain't got nothing?
Ain't got nothing.
Well,
Travel if you travel again, you gonna go to the bus. They used to sing that for us.
hello. H-E-L-O, we are here to say hello. We're back. We know it. We're here to show it.
You ain't showing nothing because you ain't doing that.
We are your friends. But we won't let you win.
You ain't letting me in with. I'm walking wherever I want
And
to.
then,
Walks in
then
these
give me an
streets.
H. Give me an E. Give me an F, an L, O.
You don't got
Give me
to
an
let me
H.
in. I walk through any door I want to.
Give me an L, L, O. I'm saying hello.
Hello to you. We're here to welcome the Lord with you.
So say a prayer for me.
Remember that when
I
we use
got one.
hello, and how do you do? We're here to praise the Lord with you.
How it goes with you? Because now they double teaming me. Come on.
I'm coming. I'm gonna broke my top. Say that loud.
You broke it?
Yeah, you ain't gonna be able to hold that bitch no more. It's gonna be swinging and hanging. Go
Yeah, I
ahead.
got a bigger grill. That's a little star.
Alright, what we doing right now?
I was trying to put it for a real big one, but then I'm like, do I want, I'm trying to move. I mean, I can still get it because it's space in here. I don't know where I should be trying to move. I'm not taking nothing. Nigga, I'm not taking it.
No.
Birthday
To you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Lee John. Alright, second night, come on, y'all. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Ah, birthday.
Happy birthday.
Birthday. Happy birthday. Okay.
Is you one? Is you two? Is you three?
Is you a peanut head?
I I can hear Faith now. Plus, I
I
dream.
was about to say,
Make
the
wish.
way them got into playing moo after that was it.
I can hear Faith now. Plus, I dream.
Stop playing.
Blow.
Excuse me.
Oh, you wait. He's gonna make you aware.
Knocked him out. Ain't even touch him.
I just didn't say my
Stop.